Today we will be learning strings in Python. Strings in Python plays a big role in Python. Now here is the example. Here name is the variable name. You can compare it like a container containing a string which is Devansh Goel, and I can change this by simply changing the spelling of Goel. This is a string, and if you want to print a string, simply use the print inbuilt function in Python and print the name. And here is the name, Devansh Goel. If you want to get a particular character of a string, you can use the indexing concept of strings. Here, 0 at the indexing starts from 0 in Python. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is index for A, 4 is for N, and 5 is for S. Now, if you want to print the character at the index 0 or the first character of the string, you need to write name, then square in square brackets, you simply write the index of the character, and then you can run the cell and it will simply print the character at the 0th position. You can also change the index by trying -1, and it will show the element at the in the last of the string. Now comes the how can we print the characters of a string individually. You can use the concept of for loop. Here simply I have make a for loop in which all the characters of in the name will be traversed, and each individual character of the string name will be printed as follows. Here is the output. You can see I have printed all the characters individually in new line. Now if you want to modify the name, for example you want to change the first character of the name variable, so you cannot now try to run this. This gives a type error which shows a str object does not support item assignment. It means that a string variable is immutable. Immutable simply means that you cannot modify a variable when you have assigned it something. So we will not run this statement. Now the correct method of replacing a character in the string is as follows. Suppose you want to replace the space with underscore, as there is a space between Devansh and Goyal. You want to replace this space with underscore. How to do that? Simply as we have seen that using the for loop we can traverse all the characters in the name variable. Simply here we takes an empty string. It has been assigned nothing. Now we will traverse through all the characters in the name variable, and we will use the if else condition, where if the character will be equal to space, simply it will be replaced by underscore, otherwise it will be same as the character of the name. Now try to run this. Here you will see the space is replaced by underscore. You can do many more operations on strings which we will be discussing in coming sessions. Thank you.